Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we're going to be checking out this blood glucose monitor. And it was sent to us by the manufacturer, which is HanrayCare, I believe is how you say that. Really simple, easy to use device here, so we'll go ahead and take it out. Comes with this nice little pouch here. They're going to have the actual device right here. We'll go ahead and set it to the side. Has a whole bunch of Lancets also. You get 100 of the Lancets. You also get the Lancet device. I really like it. And then you're going to get 50 of the test strips as well. Like I said, easy to use. We'll go ahead and set this to the side. You have your Lancet device right here. And the way that you insert new Lancets is you just screw this top off. And then right here up top, you can put in a new one. And then after you do that, you put this back on. On here, you can set the depth. It has the range from 1, and then you can turn this and go all the way up to 9 right there. And then you can turn it back down. I usually keep it around at 2. And then you just pull back on this, and whenever you pull back on that, this will turn green to let you know that it is ready. And then you push it, and that is how it activates. The strips, we'll go ahead and take one of them out. So you just pull out a strip, and then after you get a strip out, you can see here it has the little marking on there as far as which side to put your sample, and then we will put it inside of our device right up here up top. The device automatically turns on. It does a system check, and then it's ready to go. Now this device right here, I'm gonna go ahead and go over some of the specs here on the side and let you know what the features are with it. Number one, no coding, which is nice. Fast test results, you'll see that here in a second, only 7 seconds. Up to a 90-day average. It does the 450 results, which is great, so you can go over them with your provider. So we will go ahead and do a test here really quick. I am a diabetic and I just did eat, so my number may be a little bit increased. So we're gonna go ahead and activate the Lancet, and then we will get a sample here. And then all you gotta do is place this little drop on here. You'll see that countdown begin. And then it gives us the reading. Like I said, I knew it would be high because I did just eat. However, seems to be very accurate. Like I said, I think this is great. Especially this little Lancet device. Your test results come really, really fast. This doesn't have like Bluetooth or anything like that, but like I said, it does save all of those results in there, and you get a whole bunch of test strips and a whole bunch of Lancets with it in your cool little carrying case. So overall, I'm very pleased with this one. Again, this is a blood glucose monitoring system, and it is from HanrayCare. Go ahead and check her out.